This is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my tube. I love doing YouTubes, by the way. I got about 3,500 of them. I've worked at IRS for 10 years. I was a teaching instructor there. So the things I tell you, remember, I work tax defense now, but I worked at IRS. So I don't practice at it. I know really what I'm doing. So anyway, I have a whole team of former IRS agents and attorneys. Anyway, I just want you to know that IRS, if you owe back payroll taxes, and you have a large debt outstanding, once a revenue officer gets your case, it's a new day because IRS sends these cases out to the field, and a revenue officer is more like a shark or a pit bull. They really latch on. When the cases are at the service center, the cases are a lot lighter. How do you know in the service center? It's a 1-800 number, and you're calling the 1-800 number. A matter of fact, that's really good that I need to tell people the 1-800 number is a little softer and gentler than the revenue officer. So once the revenue officers send a form out 3164, they have the right to contact your bank. They have the right to contact your neighbors. They can talk to your employees. It's kind of a really nasty letter. So if you're at that point where you owe that debt, there's something that the IRS is that they're not happy with you. Let's put it that way. Now, how is this case eventually going to be resolved? It's going to be resolved with IRS looking at a financial statement, two of them actually, if you own a business. What they're going to do is they're going to ask for a 433A, your personal financial statement. These are all IRS forms, by the way, and a 433B, your business form. Then they will make a determination how they're going to close your case. How are they going to close your case? Your financial statement will determine it's going to be a payment agreement, a tax hardship, or you may be able to file an offer in compromise to settle your debt. Anyway, if you need a former revenue officer to kick their ass, just give me a call. I'm really good. Give me a subscription if you would, a like or a share if you know someone's struggling. Subscriptions really help me a lot because it lets YouTube know we're getting good information out. Thank you so much for listening.